In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Robinhood when you're using your PC. If you often find yourself trading or checking your investments late at night, or just prefer a sleek, modern look, switching to dark mode can make a big difference. Not only does dark mode help reduce eye strain in low light environments, it can also make charts and numbers stand out more clearly, as well as just looking cool. Let's start from the very beginning. To adjust Robinhood's appearance settings on your desktop, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head straight to the Robinhood website. Once you arrive, go ahead and log in using your account details. As a quick tip, make sure you're entering the correct information and you're on the official website to keep your account safe. Now that you're logged in and viewing your account dashboard, shift your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice an icon that represents your account. It typically looks like a little person or silhouette. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu where you'll find several options to manage your Robinhood account. From the drop-down that appears, look for the Settings option and give it a click. This will take you to a new page where you can access and customize different features of your Robinhood experience. Take a moment here because there are plenty of useful controls you might like to explore in the future. But for now, let's focus on changing the appearance. Within your settings, you should spot a section labeled App Appearance. Go ahead and click into this section. This area allows you to personalize the visual theme of your Robinhood interface. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Theme. Click on this drop-down and you'll see a few different appearance options. By default, Robinhood may be set to light mode, but here's where you can switch things up. To enable dark mode, simply select the Dark option from the drop-down menu. As soon as you make this selection, your entire Robinhood interface will switch over to a darker color scheme. This makes everything easier on the eyes, especially at night or if you prefer subdued colors while you're working on your finances. That's all it takes. Your Robinhood platform on your PC will now stay in dark mode until you decide to switch it back. If you ever want to return to a lighter appearance, just return to the same place and choose the light option instead. I hope this guide helped you make Robinhood look and feel the way you want. Thanks for watching and happy investing.